Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So after yesterday's severe snowstorm, you can see how much snow has been accumulated on my driveway, and because of construction work going on in my house, I have to park my car outside. So I have a lot of cleaning to do today. You can see how bad driveway is. Just now I helped my tenants to get their car out. Now I have to make way for my car too. It's too bad, but there is no escape. Like so many schools have been closed today, so many routes are closed, but unfortunately for people like me, it has to be like this always, because my workplace is on and I have to work, so I have to clean the snow, no doubt, whatever happens in the world. So if you come to Canada, you have to brace yourself for some very bad days like this. And now I have this shovel and I have tons of snow to throw. Let's see how I manage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.